This is Module 2, Build Your Database and Get Referrals. This is the overview and downloads. If you are new or newer to the real estate business, 70% of your time is going to be spent attracting, or it should be spent attracting, asking for business. Don't let any other activity take you out of that business of attracting potential clients every day. Prioritize your prospects, track your results, and maintain a simple but effective follow-up plan. No other task in the real estate business can be performed until you actually have a person who's ready, willing, and able to buy or sell. So the best and easiest way to get started growing and cultivating your database is to start with people you already know, as we refer to it in the industry, your sphere or center of influence, your SOI or your COI. In this module, we will cover the steps to build and cultivate your database to generate new, repeat, and referral business. Let's review the lessons in Module 2. You're right here in Overview and Downloads, of course. Next up, fundamentals of growing and cultivating your database. Then I'm going to take you through 3 easy steps to set up your database using your CRM. You're going to create a list. In step 2, you're going to choose that CRM and import your list. And in step 3, I want to talk to you about making initial connections, what to send, what to say in a follow-up. We definitely have scripts, dialogues, letters, emails for you to download in Module 2 to help you make this happen. Then I want to go through an annual connection plan. What should you do to stay top of mind with your clients? Including a separate lesson on just creating a local monthly newsletter. Very impactful, very important. We want to spend some time showing you how to do that. Then I want to cover tips on making effective calls, text, and notes to people that you know in your database. And then cultivate, repeat, and referral business with some very specific scripts and dialogues. And as always, we'll end up with let's get to work with your action item. Remember, always here in the overview and download section, we have all the supporting documents for you to download. They're located right here in this area in the right sidebar. So go ahead, get those downloaded. I'll be referencing them as we move along in the lessons. All right, are you ready to get to work? I am. See you in the next lesson.